What's up, guys? I got a little unboxing for you guys today. It's supposed to be a headset that has a mic in it for my iPod Touch 2nd generation. Just to let you guys know, it took 2 weeks to ship. It was in Hong Kong, and it was in some place called Zohoinjing. Something like that. Just to let you guys know, I'm just gonna fast forward through me cutting and stuff, but I'll be back with you here in a minute. So I'm gonna fast forward from now. Okay, I'm just here. That's really weird. Hey guys, hope you like that fast forwarding. I'm out of my new camera. Alright, anyway, this might be a wrong house, but you know, I mean, they might have gone order on it. I don't know. Because I just bought one stereo headset for my iPod Touch, and they gave me, it looks like 3. Let's see here. Looks like 1. Looks like 2. And looks like 3. Nothing else in the package. Oh wow, that's kind of amazing. Hopefully this is the full set. I mean, it's kind of cool. I asked for 1 headset and I got 3, so them Chinese people apparently don't know how to count. But this is great. I mean, I'm loving this right now. This is fantastic, even. Okay, let me see here. What I do? Alright, we might be going mobile here in a second. I don't know yet. Let me just open one of these bad boys and see what's inside. Might end up having to do a giveaway on one of these bad beasts because it's the Apple headset iPhone thing. Microphone right there and everything. Feels like it's in all 3 of them. Holy cow, it's pretty awesome, I think. Oh my god. Alright, let me just open one. We're gonna go mobile here in a second, though. Okay, where's the slits? I'll just slide it out. Okay. That's pretty. And you don't understand how much I'm loving this right now. Like, seriously. Alright, guys, we're gonna go mobile here in a second. See if these do work. We're just gonna plug it into my iPhone 3G. Not 3G, 2G. Yeah. 2G. Alright, let's go over to my stereo. Yeah, look, I have Shazam. And if you don't know what Shazam is like, it guesses the song that you're playing. And we'll see if it works, see if the headset works. So let me just go mobile. Pause it till I get mobile. Alright guys, I have my stereo on. Have it on Guns N' Roses. So let's see if this little Shazam thing works. Let's go ahead and try this out. I am just psyched about this. Shazam. Alright, I'm gonna... Alright guys, look at this. That wasn't Guns N' Roses, that was Aerosmith, guys. My bad, but it did guess it. My iPod's going crazy right now. What the heck? Right. It did guess it, just to let you guys know. Look. This dude looks like a lady. And I said Guns N' Roses, but I meant Aerosmith. And it gives you an option to buy it now. This actually works, these headsets. So, I am totally psyched right now about this. Subscribe, comment, and rate, and I might be doing a giveaway. I got 3, so what the heck not? 29 word is matter.